Hey, what is up? My name is Catherine and welcome back to Throwback Thanksgiving week. If this is your first time tuning into my channel today or ever, I am posting a new video every single day this week doing an eyeshadow tutorial with a palette that is at least 1 year old or older. So today's palette is from the drugstore. It is the NYX Ultimate Brights palette. So this has 16 shades in it, and as you can see there is every color of the rainbow in here. These are all matte shades. Some of them have like glitter in them in the pan, but on the eye they all pull matte. This is a very gorgeous palette. When this first came out in summer of 2017, I believe it retailed for $20, but now it's on sale pretty much everywhere. I've seen it for 12 bucks at Target, on Amazon, quite a few other places, and I would definitely say it is worth it for that price. My friend Trevor actually got this for me for my 19th birthday. It was my first colorful eyeshadow palette, and it's sort of what really got me into playing with colorful eyeshadow. These aren't the most most pigmented eyeshadows that you can find on the market. However, for a drugstore eyeshadow and at drugstore prices, these are very beautiful colorful eyeshadows, and I definitely recommend picking this up if you are looking to start playing with colorful eyeshadow and you don't really want to be spending a lot of money. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already. I'm here every single day this week and on Wednesdays and Sundays after that. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you love colorful makeup, because I know I do. And I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so I primed my eyelids with Tarte Shape Tape to hopefully help these colors pop a little bit, and I'm starting out with that darkest purple shade in the palette. I'm going to that on my Coastal Scents Pro Fluff blending brush. So I'm starting out packing that into the outer corner and very slightly bringing it up into the crease, but not over very far, like at all. And it's a little too hot in here for this sweater, so I'm gonna go change. I'll be right back. Still a sweatshirt, but more lightweight. So now I'm going into the shade right to the right of that darkest purple. It's like a very magenta-ish purple. Going into that on my AOA Studio E127. It's this very round, fluffy brush. And I'm just sort of going around the edges of this purple, and this shade is getting brought more into the crease as well. Now I'm going into the lightest purpley lavendery shade in this palette on my Lime Crime blending brush, and I'm just using that to blend out those purples even more. Really running those along the edge to have a fade from nice dark purple to light purple. And I just want to bring back a little bit of the intensity of that darkest purple. So I'm dipping back into that shade on the Coastal Scents brush. And without adding any new color to the brush, I'm going into the brush that I used for that magenta shade, and I'm just running it over again. Does everyone have an eye that like never turns out as well as the other eye? For me, it's my right eye because I'm left-handed, I think. But now I'm going into this teal turquoise shade. It's very light, very pretty. Going into that on a BH Cosmetics Studio Pro number 7. It's a flat shader brush, and I am going to wet my brush even though this is a matte shade. I want this to be sort of defined with the placement. So I'm starting out by patting this onto my eye. I'm sliding this onto my eye like you would place down a half cut crease, but I'm not going to want this to be as defined as a cut crease. And I'm just going to take this shade now on my finger to really pack it on and make it pop once I have the placement how I want it. I feel like since everything's so like cool toned, like mermaidy looking, it's all fading into each other so nicely. I'm just running my Coastal Scents brush without adding any new product along the edge of that blue, just to make sure it really does fade into that purple super nicely. And this is actually all I'm going to be doing for the upper eye. So I'm going to go do a little bit of face makeup. I'm not going to do a lot. I really don't want to do like full face foundation everything today. So I'll be right back. Actually quite enjoying how the face products I used came together. I don't have mascara on yet. I'm going to do that after this because I'm not doing lashes today. So I'm starting out with the Coastal Scents brush again, tapping very lightly into the dark purple, and I'm just bringing that down into the outer corner of my under eye to just kind of pull everything together. And once I have that placed, I'm just going back into that BH Cosmetics number 5, into that teal shade, and I'm just sort of packing that onto the inner part of the under eye. Then I'm going back into that magenta shade on this flat Kylie Cosmetics brush and placing that in between those two shades. And now I'm going to that brush that I had the lightest lavender shade on, and I am swirling around the edges of my under eye. For some reason my right eye is like creasing insanely and my left eye is fine, so I'm just gonna go over that on the top. And I just want to have like the teensiest little pop on the inner eye, not inter. So I'm dipping my pinky into an icy pink highlighter and I'm just popping that right there. And I'm just going to do some mascara off camera. Alright, so this is the final look for today's video. It's very mermaidy, sort of celestial vibes. I love it because I love purple eyeshadow, and I hope you guys did too. If you did, definitely don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and hopefully I will see you tomorrow. Bye!